Hello everyone, welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this simple 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with its drawing. See, this is the drawing. Note all the dimensions are in inches. We will start by making this outer surface. See, its base is 4.59 inches and also the top distance is 1.59 inches and the distance from this point to the extended surface is 2.72 inches and also this angle is 99 degree and this distance is 2.86 inches. So let's start by making this surface. Go to Solidworks, open a new part file, click OK. Make sure that the unit system is IPS system. Now select here front plane, sketch, choose here line command and draw sketch like this. Escape. Now again go to line command and select here center line and draw center line like this. Escape. Now select this line and make it vertical. Click OK. Now select these three lines and make them symmetric. Click OK. Now select this line, press the Ctrl key and select this line. First make them collinear and then equal. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. This distance is 4.59 inches. This distance is 0.47 inches. Also from this point to this point the distance is 2.72 inches. And also this distance is 1.59 inches. And also this angle is 99 degree. So our sketch is fully ready. Click OK. Now go to features. Select here extruded boss base. Select here mid plane and type here 2.86 inches. See, this is the preview. Click OK. Look, our base is completely ready. Now we will make other features. So go to drawing. Now we will make this cutout. See, this distance is 0.26 inches and also from the bottom the distance is 0.47 inches. And also note that there is a fillet. The fillet radius is 0.09 inches and also these corner radius are 0.38 from both the ends, from these four ends. So now let's make this. Again go to Solidworks. Now select here this face and sketch. Now click anywhere and now go to offset entities. Select this line, Ctrl Z, offset entities. Select this line and also this line. Click on reverse and type here 0.26 inches. Click OK. Now select here line command and draw a line like this. Escape. Now drag this point to this line and also this point to this line. Click OK. Now draw two lines like this. Escape. Again line command and draw a line like this. Make sure these two lines must be horizontal. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. This distance is 0.47 inches, and also this distance is 0.26 inches. Click OK. Now go to Trim Entities and trim these extra lines. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Cut and select here Through All. Click OK. See, our sketch is almost ready. Now again go to Drawing. Also there are fillets, so go to Fillet. Select here this line, also this line. Same for the upper and lower. Click OK. So retype here 0.09. Now again go to Fillet. This time select these four corners and type here 0.38 inches. Click OK. Look. Now again go to Drawing. Now we will make these two holes. See, the diameter is 0.94 inches and this distance is 1.43 inches. And also this is almost in the half of this distance. So we will consider that it will in the center, and also this is in the center, and this distance is 1.31 inches, which is the diameter. So let's make these two circles. Go to Solidworks. Select this top face and sketch. Draw two circles. Now go to Smart Dimension. Inner circle is 0.94 inches and outer circle is 1.31 inches. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Cut, select here Selected Contours and select this inner surface and select here up to Next. Click OK. Now select the same sketch, go to Extruded Cut. Now in the Selected Contour, select the outer line, not the circle, not this part, select only this line. Also select here Offset and type 3 inches and reverse the direction and select here OK. Type here 2 inches and click OK. See, circle is now made. Now we will make these circles by using Hole Wizard command. So go to String. See, these circles are, the inner circle is 0.29 and also the outer diameter is 0.56 and the depth is 0.19, and also the distance is given, which is 0.54, and also this is 0.56. So go to SolidWorks. Now select here hole visit command. Select this first option, NC inch, and also binding head screw. Scroll down and check this show custom sizing. Type here 0.29 inch, 0.56 inch and 0.19 inch, and also select here through all and uncheck this near side countersink and go to position. Select here this face and click. Go to smart dimension. From this point to this line the distance is 0.56, and from this point to this line the distance is 0.54. Click OK. See, one bore is made. Now we will use mirror command for the rest of the 3 circles. Go to mirror command. Select here front plane and features to mirror. Select here this last option. Click OK. See, now again go to mirror command. Select here right plane and features to mirror. Select here this last option, which is mirror 1. Click OK. See, all the circles are now made. Now one feature is remaining, which is this rib command. So go to drawing. See, this is 1.30 inch and this is 0.38 inches. So let's make this. Go to SolidWorks. Now select here reference geometry and select here plane. Now select here this surface and type here 1.30 inch. Reverse the direction and click OK. Now sketch this plane and go to line command and draw a line like this. Escape. Now go to rib command. Select this last option and type here 0.38 inches. Click OK. See, now go to mirror command. Select here right plane and select here last option, which is rib 1, and click OK. See, our part is now fully completed. Now Control 7. This is the isometric view. You can also hide this plane. Now go to add some colors, appearances, red color, orange color. So these are the different colors. Let's assume this one. So this is the final part. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.